Have you ever got stuck in a traffic and felt like what if we could move faster? And on an average, for an ambulance to reach the accident area, it takes about 15 to 30 minutes. And that's the golden hour by which a life can be saved. And what if we could reduce that timing? And that's Project K. Myself, Naren Karthik, the founder of this Project K. And what we do in this, we actually, there are like, in a country like India, there are more than 13 lakh cameras already implemented, which directly focuses on a road. So we take access of those cameras. It's like we act as a middle layer from the camera input to the government service where the camera feed is already stored, and we build this on the existing infrastructure, and by using which those cameras input, we actually detect the ambulance and accidents, and also we can detect the potholes, flooded roads, and the traffic. And why this one matters, and the traffic thing is the key important factor. Unlike Google Maps or any other map application, what they do is they get the GPS location of the mobiles which are there at a particular location and then update it, which is totally not accurate for this, and we take the traffic data from there. And also all the five factors which we take will be updated on a 2D map which will be in our cloud storage. And from the cloud storage, it will be like an entire 2D map digital replica of what's actually there, and that thing will be real time updating it every second. And that one serves as a database for our multi-agent architecture. And what's this multi-agent architecture? It's like each and every agent will be given a particular area in a particular city, and those agents can communicate with themselves and decide where to move the traffic. Because if there any traffic clogging detected by a certain agent at its area, then it will check for the multiple possibilities on where to move the traffic, and then it will communicate with the other agent and get the context of where the traffic is at that area, and thereby it can effectively switch the traffic signals, or switching in the sense not that switching, they're already like 45, 60 seconds, 120 seconds per traffic signal. It changes, reduces or decreases the timing of that interval, thereby effectively moving and distributing the traffic. It's like an operating system for the entire traffic and mobility. And not just that, we provide particular routing for applications like ambulance. For ambulance, why this one matters? Imagine ambulance gets stuck in a traffic, and especially in countries like India, that often happens. And thereby, some traffic police have to come over there and clear the traffic. And this is not the case. By using Project K, what we can do is we can provide optimal routing for these ambulance. If any of our cameras detect the ambulance, it will predict the path of that ambulance and also effectively clears the traffic. In case ambulance goes from here to here, and if there any traffic in between them, our system can effectively get access of that traffic and override the traffic signal, and then thereby clearing the route before even ambulance reaches that place. Thereby ambulance can reach the hospitals faster. And also for accidents, our system, if any of our system detects the accident, it will inform to the control center, and with human supervision we can detect the severity of that accident, and a human in the control center will be deploying an ambulance just by a single click. And as we also provide routing for these ambulance, we have a separate application for ambulance routing. And our when the user when a person human clicks the deploy ambulance from the control center, it will trigger the ambulance notification to the application which the ambulance driver has, and thereby reaching the accident prone area faster. And it's like a complete system, and also we can monitor the potholes and waterlogging, thereby effectively clearing them and mobility and increasing and revolutionizing the entire mobility. And that's Project K. And if you go through the pitch deck and also the demo video, it will be way more easier for you to get into the context and what we actually do. And the Microsoft tools in the context, we use Microsoft Azure for the database and the Microsoft IoT for our IoT Edge AI. Thank you.